Made it to New York City and look who I'm with. Hi guys! So currently we're actually packing, getting ready to go to Biarritz in France with
Chanel. It's gonna be the trip of a lifetime.
Literally, we're both so excited, and we got gifted luggage. I'll show you what my luggage looks like.
Good.
It's a big carry-on luggage bag, and it's gorgeous because it's in black and gold. And voila! This is it. I'm so excited and grateful for this new luggage bag from Chanel. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to put everything in here and head to the airport. See you at the airport. Going to the airport.
Monsieur, bonjour et bienvenue à bord.
Welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen.
Ces films concernent votre sécurité. Merci de les accorder.
Hello, hello! A semi-well-rested Kaye is back. Finally, we arrived in Biarritz and it is, I'm going to say beautiful, but it's also super rainy. So I feel like this weather is not what people in LA would call beautiful because it's not sunshine. But for me, I actually happen to love the rain, so I'm actually leaving my doors open so I can hear it drizzling while I get ready for my facial in a bit. In roughly 30 minutes at 4 p.m. we're going to do a facial using the Chanel No. 1 products, which is the reason why I'm actually on this trip. So Chanel invited me to visit Biarritz and also specifically the farms at Gaujacq, because we're going to see the camellia flowers that are used to actually make the Chanel products. So it's going to be a very unique, amazing, and educational experience, and I cannot wait to share all the details about this trip and all the information that I receive with you. When I walked into my room though, I kind of had to gasp because we received some more gifts. So remember the luggage that I just showed you? Got this hat. It's a cute little bucket hat by Maison Michel, which is actually, fun fact, so we were driving to the hotel, and one fun fact, the reason why we are in Biarritz is that Coco Chanel actually had a hat shop. So before she got into fashion and Chanel skincare and all those things, she actually had a hat shop that was located in Biarritz. So she actually has a pretty extensive story in Biarritz, because she would come here during the summer or during the year with friends, and she also had a hat shop here. Maison Michel has actually been doing hats and accessories and joined the Chanel house, so this is why we're receiving a hat. This cutie. Should I put it on? I'm gonna put it on. So cute. Oh my gosh. So cute. And you know what's also awesome is because it's so rainy, this is gonna come in handy. I also received another gift from Chanel. Ah, so exciting. Here it is. Stunning. Okay, let's open it up. I don't want to open it up all the way, but you know what? Let's open it up. I'll tell you exactly what it is. You can't convince me much. Oh my god, the Hydra Beauty Micro Serum. This is bomb. This product, and I'll link it below so you can also see it. This product is amazing. That's what I have on my skin for during the flight. After I took my makeup off in flight, I used the micro serum and my skin feels supple and hydrated. It's like literally the only thing I use. I didn't even use a moisturizer after, but here we have the Hydra Beauty cream as well. Ah, so exciting. So many gifts. My skin, I love skincare. You know I love skincare. And the Camellia repair mask. Let's see if we can get a focus. Camellia repair mask. So exciting. So now I'm gonna go get ready for my facial. See you guys in a bit. Just finished my facial. Look how glowy and radiant I am. Oh, feels so nice. Good morning, sunshine. It's bright and early today. It's around 11 a.m. and we're heading off to the farm in Gaujacq to see the iconic Camellia flowers. And it was raining all last night, so I wonder what the weather's going to be like. But I'm super excited to take you guys along with me and with my sister, Coco. And here she is, the star of the show. Okay, let's go. Hello besties, it's my last full day in Biarritz and I'm excited but also very sad, but today's gonna be a sunny day, so I'm actually really excited for that. I'm right now in my bathroom and I'm gonna do my morning skincare routine, so I'll just like walk you through it as I do it. So far the trip was really fun. I'm gonna start off with the serum and I'm going to link all the products that I'm using below. So the trip was really good, it was so much fun. Last night was honestly one of the most amazing experiences. Yeah, it just felt like I was getting a behind the scenes tour of like how much care is taken into creating these products. So it was like really cool, such a cool experience, and I'm really grateful that I got to experience it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to use is the Revitalizing Serum. This one here, and it has a dropper. The thing I like about these is that they're really moisturizing and hydrating for my skin. So I really have to be careful with what I use on my skin, and I feel like these are good because they don't irritate my skin further, which for me is a big thing. And then I'm going to use this eye cream. Really nice. I like to be generous with my eye cream. I'm looking at the mirror. Really softly. Oh, feels so good. I love eye creams that feel cooling, and this definitely has like a cooling effect around my eyes. And like honestly, I've been using it for a while now, and I love the fact that it feels like, I don't know, my eyes kind of like get depuffed when I put it on, which is really good. Sometimes I use a lotion, but today I'm going to use a really thick cream, and this is the Revitalizing Cream. And because it is my last full day, tomorrow I'm going on a plane, so I feel like it's really important to use like a good moisturizing cream. And yeah, I go over my eye cream sometimes. Then my final special step that I love to do, this is bomb. So it's called L'Eau Rouge. It's called the Revitalizing Fragrance Mist, and it smells beautiful. So what I like to do is just like put it, like apply it on my skin. So I'll put it on my neck. So that's it, simple, super easy skincare. I'm gonna link all the products below. I'm going to finish getting ready so I can go shoot for the day. Hello again. So this is our last day here in Biarritz, and we're taking advantage of the gorgeous weather. You know, it's been raining these past few days. Let's see if you can see. Look at that. We're at the beach. I just shot the most fire content for Coco. You'll see it on her Instagram. It's gonna break the internet.
How did you enjoy Biarritz?
It was honestly so beautiful. such a good not vacation. It felt like a vacation because it was so pleasant.
It was really, really good.
Yeah.
So we'll be back soon. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. But we will see you guys next time, right?
Yeah.
Next trip we're gonna do together. Where's that gonna be?
Los Angeles / the Southern California coast.
Like, yeah, sure.
Right?
No, it's happening.
For the flower field.
No, it's happening. It's happening. It's
It
happening.
is happening. You're already coming out April 1st.
Yeah.
Just 2 weeks from now.
All right, guys. So we'll see you guys next time.